All right, as far as the S&P goes, I kind of think we open up. For the record, I lost on my SPY puts. So I had bought SPY puts, and we just couldn't get down enough to actually to make it a win. To go over what I went over last week, which sucks because I thought we were getting there. I was like, oh, here comes the end of the day. Smash, burn this thing to the ground. These puts are coming to life, but they didn't. I got QQQ puts. Is it down? Let's see. We'll see. I actually half expect it to hold this right here. But we're going to end up coming back to this when we start talking about earnings. If you guys do have my charts, by the way, posted a new chart link, so make sure you find that. If you're on my Patreon, you guys have that. You saw the post. So anybody that does have that, remember, all you got to do is, there should be a separate video coming out. You'll just click that link and then save it up here as your layout. And then you'll have every line, every ticker that I have. You'll have all my zones. The only thing you don't get is my, like, when I just put an alert on something like that, only I have that. So that's it. Ready to rock and roll. I guess if you're on Patreon, you have all my plays. Anyway, looks like it wants a red day. Maybe. As far as the continuation down, bears are definitely still in control. And I told you guys this last week. The better dip buy is going to be this yellow zone. And honestly, if we sold off going into the earnings we had this week, I would be long. If we could get it down here, I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I want to dip buy on some call options. We will get to that on one of the earnings plays. The other ones I'm already short. They are gamble plays, but the play I will take that's 100% not gambling. Yeah. Anyway, NASDAQ gets to this yellow zone. That's where I'm going to go long. New channel idea, Don's alerts. If you just focused on this one or in the mentorship group, you'll notice where I put those things. Blue speed bump down. Yeah. What would we spend last week just hanging out in this? Last couple days. I'm game either way. What I wouldn't like is if we just continued up and up and up and then we had earnings. I don't like doing that. I like to buy the dips on things. Maybe sell a covered call against QQQ. Probably not bad. What's good, Don? How's the trading been? Last week was a bit rough. Yeah, last week was all over the place, but last week we did really well with TEM. Shout out to the TikTok world. All right, Grandpa Dow. Man, just on an emotional roller coaster. What do you think? You got just straight red, just red. We haven't been this red since 1972 or 3. And then we go sideways, and it's just nothing but green on the way back up. I would think this would be a little bit harder. We're still very much on the bullish run, and you can see one red day meant absolutely nothing. That was just a dip buy for even more. Not to say that we get that continuation. Bulls definitely still in control on this one. Still would be worth a dip buy if we went down here to that 4,400 mark. TEM, good premium selling puts on Friday as well. Nice. Eagles versus Bills in the Super Bowl. Now you can tell Alex doesn't pay attention. Chiefs are going to win. I loaded your chart. It's view only mode. How to upload it to TradingView? I clicked on the link from Patreon. View only. It's up here in the top right. You can save the layout. TikTok can't see that. Okay, TikTok, if you're watching. So you got the numbers right here, right? Just to the right of that, you'll see 20. You'll see, well, if you have mine, it'll say 2025 zones. Click the down arrow, click save layout. I've always had my own charts. I've never needed to save someone else's. I'm about 99% sure that's how you do it. All right. Russell kind of hanging out. I will delete these. Bullish for now. I think we're just exhausting all the sellers. Then that's going to go up. What is QQQ for the yellow zone? 503.